So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. Click on yes. Once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And then click on enter again. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't do it yet to complete the next steps in the video. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then you want to click on properties. And then you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4. You want to make sure that all of this is correct. So if you don't know what you're doing here, I recommend just leaving it on obtaining an IP address automatically and obtaining DNS server address automatically. Make sure that it's on both of these. But if you do know what you're doing and you have one of these selected, then you want to make sure that everything entered into here is correct. But for most of you, I'll just keep it on the default options. Obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix network problems. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on next. And then you want to click on troubleshoot my connection to Microsoft.com. Wait for this to load. If it finds anything, then it'll try to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now you want to click on other troubleshooters. And you also want to run this one right here. So next to network and internet, you want to click on run. Click on this. And if it detects anything, it'll try to fix it for you again. So now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.